Step, step slowly, take your time, dear. Keep closely what you find here carefully. You may not like the things you see. Buy time that will keep you grounded. Leave the apple where you found it. Take my word, some stones are better left unturned. Step, step slowly, patience breeds care. Lift only what you can bear carefully. The hasty stumble easily. Please show, not leave this box closed. You don't know what fate these locks hold, so it goes. The curiosity will grow. Oh, mine was yours and yours was mine to keep. No one wins the find, us two shall we. We've been lost in a spark we were never meant to see. Fate will bring what binds us to our knees. One step more and it's too late. No way left for us to fool fate. Let it be. The truth will bring you misery. No tears can change this outcome. We don't hear words when we doubt them, so it goes. We hurt the ones we love the most. Oh, mine was yours and yours was mine to keep. No one wins the find, us two shall we. We've been lost in the spark we were never meant to see. Fate will bring what binds us to our knees. Please leave, don't talk, walk away, don't say anything at all. Please leave, don't talk, walk away, don't say anything at all. This was the fault of no one, words can never change the things we've learned, the stones that we've unturned. Please leave, don't talk, walk away, don't say anything at all. Mine was yours and yours was mine to keep. No one wins the find, us two shall we. This was the fault of no one, words can never change the things we've learned, the stones that we've unturned. Please leave, don't talk, walk away, don't say anything at all. Thank you. A better day, a better start, shakes the fear from my restless heart. A fear of love, a fear of loss, fear when both the paths are crossed. Push me down, then pull me out. Wash my shame, remove my doubt. Brightness comes comes as morning breaks. I lose myself in each breath I take. Second chance, a second spell, sparked a change I could not foretell. A change of mind, a change of view, changed the heart I wouldn't listen to. Brightness comes and brightness fades, marching forth in an endless wave. Helpless to the lights you make, I lose myself in each breath I take. Brightness fade as I breathe in, lights that explode, love you and load. And all at once I was made in a sea of lights that explode, love you and load. Love you and love, love you and love. Thank you. Myself and Kat, we're from a band called Fireproof Giant, and we sometimes have a drummer with us and a bassist as well, or sometimes brass players. We keep changing and evolving depending on the situation, and it's very nice to get to play here in this lovely space on this wonderful piano in this configuration. This next song is called Gather You, and it's about taking someone and running away with them, away from the usual livings and goings-on of society. We both know sticks and stones can make for better homes if we fashion them the right way. Let's build a wolf's den before the monster men try to break their way in. Beyond windows and walls lies a kingdom for us both, and the wolf that will call us away to our cozy reality. Put your best dress on, I've come to gather you, I've come to gather you. Of the beasts I've known, I've come to rather you, I've come to rather you. We both know sticks and stones can become lion thrones if we fashion them the right way. Let's rule our enemies with a sensitivity they never gave to us. Beyond windows and walls lies a kingdom for us both, and the lion to roar us away to our cozy reality. Put your best dress on, I've come to gather you, I've come to gather you. Of the beasts I've known, I've come to rather you, I've come to rather you. Put your best dress on. I've come to gather you, I've come to gather you.
Peace I know.
I've come to rather you, I've come to rather you. We can be king and queen in our own fantasies if we fashion them the right way. My curiosity will get the best of me when I look the other way. Thanks. Buckle up, knuckle down, there's no time to muck around. We're chasing dreams of a modern man, black and white, factual, damage done collateral. Send your sympathies upon a postcard. You won't even know. Oh, you could have been free. Takes my body. Seeker, the seeker stands in front of me, stands in front of me. Knowing no way you can't win this way, 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 knowing no way. Lose the port, choose the wealth, careful not to bruise yourself. You fall in line with the master plan, dog eat dog, man eat man, catch the current if you can. Better watch your back and keep your head down. You won't even know. Oh, you could have been free. Takes my body, takes my body. Seeker, the seeker stands in front of me, stands in front of me. Knowing no way you can't win this way, 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 knowing no way. Takes my body, takes my body. Seeker, the seeker stands in front of me, stands in front of me. No, in no way you can't win this way. No, in no way you can't win this way. No, in no way you can't win this way. No, in no way you can't win this way. No, in no way. Thank you very much. The next song we're about to play, I wrote a few years ago. Used to work with a circus company that's based in Cardiff called No Fit State Circus, and toured with them for about 8 years or so. And this was written for a show which we did down in the Eden Project called Labyrinth, and it's titled Labyrinth as well. Deep in the base of my darkest desires, there is a place where I go, free from myself and the thoughts I require, free from the life I have known. To say for the time we gave, the dreams we lost, the life we craved, I'd give it all up again, my dear. I'd give it all up for you. I'd give it all up again, my dear. I'd give it all up for you. Come with me now, lose the guilt that confines us, journey with me to the wilds. Fear shapes the walls of a labyrinth inside us, caging the hopes of a child. But what's to say for the time we gave, the dreams we lost, the life we craved? I'd give it all up again, my dear. I'd give it all up for you. I'd give it all up again, my dear. I'd give it all up for you. The cold it came in the harshest way. Raced through my chest, raced through my chest. I placed my hands across my face. A shaking breath, a shaking breath. I was warmed out of mind. I was warmed out of mind. The fire inside me rises. 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 Thank you. Dear love of mine, I watched as you placed all the blame and disgrace on the heart you resigned. The darkness suppressed in the base of your chest. I'll wait for your light to appear. I'll wait for your light to appear. Here I shall dwell, as long as it takes for your light to awake, for the brightness you held once shone in the dark and surrounded my heart. I'll wait for your light to appear. I'll wait for your light to appear. The falls you faced are ingrained in your eyes. In the darkest places I'll remain by your side. I'll wait for your light to appear. I'll wait for your light to appear. Thank you. That last song, we've had a few different versions of it. Originally, it was with a brass band and an accordion, if you can believe that. And there's a bit more pa about it. But as I say, it's lovely to play on this piano this evening rather. This song that we're about to play now is called Head to Hand, and it's about taking your thoughts and acting on them for once. Very often I find, with myself anyway, that sometimes you can have an idea or a thought and you hold on to it and don't actually fulfill what you want to be doing, and sometimes that can have an effect on the other people around you as well. It's not just you that is held back by that, it's also the people that you love. And so this is what this song's about seeing what you're like today and imagining what you could be like in the future if you actually act on your thoughts. Now's the time to change from head to hands. Breathe the present in, the past out. I was once afraid of what could be, of what I could not see. Assign yourself a memory of what I am today. In time you might remember me. Another life, another way. Stand a chance to make amends. Pick the pieces up, try again. I was once a boy afraid to choose. What has this boy to lose? Assign yourself a memory of what I am today. In time you might remember me. Another life, another way. The smile you deserve, the smile I misplaced. Thank you. Just the last few weeks I've been writing a song about Nicholas Nickleby and about what he's going through trying to look after the children. And it was quite a depressing song, and I haven't finished it yet. But I spent a few weeks writing it, and you get yourself in a bit of a dark place sometimes. And then at one point in the middle of the night, my body just said, no, we're not going to do that anymore. We're going to write a happy tune. And I spent just one evening, and I wrote this next song I'm about to play for you just in that one evening, because obviously my mind had said, we don't want dark thoughts anymore. We'd like to think of something a bit more positive. And this song's about, it's about children again, like the Nicholas Nickleby one, but as opposed to them all suffering. It's about the hope that they have as children and what they imagine they might become as they grow older. It's called Tomorrow Starts Today. Picture me in 15 years from now, with nothing left to cry about, no broken memories or thirst for yesterday. Tomorrow starts today. Tomorrow starts today. Picture you in 15 years with me. The darker days are history. Those butterfly stains upon your skin will fade. Tomorrow starts today. I could stay here in the States. I feel the world spins beneath me as it shakes my being. There's so many colors that steal my heartbeat. I'm consumed in wonder at the sights around me. I feel the world spins beneath me as it shakes my being. There's so many colors that steal my heartbeat. I'm consumed in wonder at the sights around me. Picture me in 15 years from now, with nothing left to cry about. Each little color will finally have its place. Tomorrow starts today. Little lamb, nobody's free. We're all dust waiting to be released. Little lamb, nobody's free. In time you surely will see. I was born with hope in my soul and a healthy dose of wonder in my bones. Changed my mind from time to time, but the truth was always prime. Little lamb, nobody is free. We're all dust, waiting to be released. Little lamb, nobody is free. In time you surely will see. In my youth I chased the sun as a leader and a follower of none. Left my home with nothing at best, and I've still got some of it left. Little lamb, nobody is free. We're all dust, waiting to be released. Little lamb, nobody is free. In time you surely will see. Years went by, my luck ran dry. I had lost myself in a desert of lies. Offers came from far and wide, but none came without a price. Soon my body became a cage and my mind filled with an ocean of rage. But in my heart I found the key to set my spirit free. Little lamb, nobody is free. We're all dust, waiting to be released. Little lamb, nobody is free. In time you surely will see. So I faced the sorrows I braved and allowed myself to cry them all away. Took my time, but now I can see that the truth indeed shall set you free. Little lamb, nobody is free. We're all dust, waiting to be released. Little lamb, nobody is free. In time you surely will see. Thank you. That song I actually wrote, it can mean what you want it to mean actually, but I actually wrote that song about anxiety and dealing with it. It's, I think it's a problem in society that's not really talked about. There's a lot of people that deal with stress and anxiety issues, and people tend to shut it away and hide it. And so that's why I wanted to do that, so that hopefully other people will realize that they're not alone in it. This is the last song we're going to play now, which actually we played just over a year ago in the main space with a circus show called Bianco. A lot of these songs, including this one, you can find online. If you look for Fireproof Giants, there's a Facebook page or Twitter and all those social media things that I'm not very good at using, if I'm honest, but the songs are up there. So thank you very much for listening to us this evening, and thank you very much to Heath for being our sound engineer and doing a great job. And have a lovely evening. Finally found a place we can ground ourselves. The faces we saw were laced full of stories to tell. You saw the best in me from the start. You saw the best in me from the start. We we finally came to a place we can name as our own. We crafted with care as laughter was shared in our home. You saw the best in me from the start. You saw the best in me from the start.